So in the past, I've stayed in pretty small rooms in Tokyo. Specifically, I paid about $250 per night in Shinjuku, which is great, you know, but as you can see in these photos I'm going to show you right now, that I can touch the ceiling with my hand. I am not particularly tall. I'm about 5'7", and I could touch the ceiling quite easily with my hand. So I feel like if you are someone who is, I don't know, like 5'10" and above, you may hit your head when you are in the bathroom, just saying. But here we are today, 3 years later, and this is kind of like my points journey and how for 3 years I've been able to collect points for hotel rooms. I do have a full video up top and linked down below if you want to see how I managed to rack up points as well with Marriott Bonvoy. But if you are in the States, you are very, very lucky, because us Canadians have it hard when we are trying to collect points for hotels. So I'm going to be sharing how I went from this type of room to this type of room, and I'm going to be giving you a quick room tour as well of the AC Hotel, which is where I stayed. This is a 5-star hotel in the heart of Ginza. This is actually the lowest redemption rate available through Marriott, so it's not like I splurged or anything. This is the cheapest one, the best bang for buck, if you could say, in terms of redemption. So this is why I went with this. So yeah, but if you are not into points, not a problem. Just see this video as a quick room tour and see if this is something you want to stay with your family. So they did give me a complimentary upgrade to a slightly larger room, just because I do have the Marriott Gold status, I believe it's called, so which is why I got a slightly bigger room. But I do feel like the room are generally much more spacious. The ceiling is incredibly tall, so it's not anything like the room I stayed in before, and I think the area is actually quite good. You do get a lot of shopping districts around, of course. You do get that huge story, like 6 or 7 story tall Uniqlo, if you like that. There is lots and lots of food around, which I feel like it's great. But one of the best things I like about this area is actually it's a little bit more quiet. So unlike the area that I stayed in before, which was in Shinjuku, like I think if you're someone who likes to eat out late, likes to go out late, you know, just walk around at night, I think it's a great area for that. But if you if you're someone who does prefer a little bit more quietness during the night, then I think Ginza might be something that you want to reconsider and take a look at, because I personally really liked the area. It is also just a 10-minute walk from the fish market, so which I feel is perfect if you have a jet lag, right? So what I did actually was, on my first day, I just kind of had severe jet lag, woke up at 5 a.m. and what I did was I just walked to the fish market, because why not? It was just 10 minutes away. So without further ado, we are going to do a quick check-in into our room. So I recently traveled to Tokyo and I redeemed 160,000 Marriott points for 5 nights in Tokyo, and this is a quick room tour of the AC Hotel in Ginza, one of the most expensive cities in Tokyo. So we are going to have a quick hotel room tour. So this is actually the lowest price redemption rate in Tokyo, which is why I booked it, and this is a 5-star hotel in Tokyo as well. So starting off, we've got a bathroom situation. So we've got a rain shower up ahead, which I actually took advantage of. There's of course a regular rain shower head, got the shampoo and conditioners, and I love to see in the bathroom, because after 20,000 steps you want to sit on that and take a shower, which is absolutely perfect. And then we've got the toilet over here, which I'm not going to show, and then we've got the vanity section here as well. So we open the first drawer, and what we'll find is that we've got some toothbrushes, toothpaste, shavers, we've got a comb, very well stocked, we've got some shower towels and some pads for cleaning up as well, your makeup and all of that. And then we've got also a hair dryer, but of course I have my own Dyson because I love it. If you are in North America, you'll realize that the voltage is the same as Japan, so your electronics will actually work in Japan as well. So moving on, you'll realize that this bathroom is heavily exposed, but you'll notice that there is actually a really nice divider that separates the bathroom out from the room, because nobody wants to watch you brush your teeth while the other person's just watching TV, which is kind of awkward. Or that you come out of the shower, maybe you want that, I don't know, but yeah, I prefer with the shades down. Next up, we've got the closet. So what I really love about this closet is that it actually comes with a freaking steamer. I love it. I actually use it a few times. We use it for our t-shirts or any kind of dresses and things like that. Love it, love it, love it. It's so hard to find one that has a steamer because I really don't want to open up in our ironing board for this. So it also comes with a set of pajamas, which I have not used, but they look quite comfy. And of course we've got slippers as well, and if you ever need more, you can just ask them and they'll bring you some more slippers as well. So that's kind of it for the closet. Next up, what we've got is just some seating area, which we've used for putting our purchases, of course, shopping, and then our very nice bed along with some outlets here. We've got some shortcut light switches as well, which I actually really like and appreciate, so you don't have to run to the door to turn the lights on and off and stuff like that. Overall, bed very comfy, highly recommend. Next up, we've got, of course, a nice TV here, which is also quite good because you can actually Chromecast to it, which I love. You can watch your own stuff. And what I found so surprising is that they also have rooftop terrace yoga. I actually did not go, but I mean, next time I go, I probably might go for about 10 bucks Canadian for a yoga session. It's actually not bad because these days they run about $20 now. Of course, they've got ceramic cups. We've got a bunch of tea that you could take advantage of if you're a tea drinker. We've also got complimentary water and also an espresso pod if you like that as well. And of course, all of this is complimentary, same with the water, so you can just get it a refill one after another if you'd like, and you don't have to go buy water outside. So what else do we got? We've got a fridge with my stuff that I got. I actually bought a melon. Can you believe it? I've got a freaking melon and also grapes from Japan. Love it, love it, love it. And that is kind of it for my room tour. Let me see if I'm missing anything else. We've got more mirrors if you like to check yourself out. We've got a seating area, got a table, a comfy chair that you could do work on, but we just kind of put our stuff there. And I love this little glowing light underneath the bed, and the situation just creates a whole vibe. So let me just see if there's anything else. So that's pretty much it for the room tour. And now we are back to reality. If you did like this video, please do give me a quick like and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions at all about travel, credit cards, just how are you, wishes for 2024, etc., leave them down below in the comments. I love to kind of start a chat with you as well. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next one, and wishing all of you a wonderful year of amazing travels and incredible points ahead. Bye.